I'm Joshua from Germany. The lecture phase was such a great time. Now I share my 3 highlight weeks in lecture. The first highlight week was the Holy Spirit week. In this week I learned more about the gifts and lose my skepticism about this topic. The second highlight week was Biblical Worldview. In this week was it nice to see that the Bible has for all topics an answer, from art to sport to science. My last highlight week was the topic Christianity in the society. It is inspiring to see how we Christians are designed to have an impact on society in various areas. It's a good reminder that God also uses us at work, for example, to build His kingdom. Also a great time was the time with the people from the church in Tirano. It was fun to play volleyball, spikeball or Engadin Uno. I really enjoyed the beautiful landscape in the Engadin Valley.